Hello everyone, my name is Diana Greenberg. I'm a BrowXenna brand trainer, and today I'll show you a tutorial how to make brow lamination using Lami brow kit, MonoStep and protector. The first step is cleansing. For this purpose I use BrowXenna brow shampoo foam. Apply it using a brush on a brow area, and next I clean it using cotton pads. The second step is protector brow guard. I use it in thin layer on a brow area. After protector, I use MonoStep. Keep it about 7 minutes on the hairs, and after it, clean it using cotton pads. Be attentive, I use it protector brow guard only on the first brow. That is why on the second brow you can see some irritation and redness, and our model can feel some uncomfortable feelings. When the time is over, I clean the composition using wet cotton pads in the hair direction. Working with this model, I want to have natural result. That is why I will draw only hairs using direct pigment Lami. To draw hairs, I use brush number 11 and shade number 4 taupe Lami. You can fill the gaps to make brows more fluffy, and when you finish, you can continue the procedure using P-Plex recovery. I use the brow brush, and after it, I make the direction of the hairs. You can see the final result, you can comment it if you like it, and of course, follow us not to pass new tutorials.